Welcome to today's video. In this lesson, we will explore the power of personal inspiration, how to find it, how to grow it, and how to use it to achieve your dreams. If you sometimes feel tired, unmotivated, or ready to give up, this video is for you. I will share simple stories, examples, and powerful tips to help you believe in yourself again. Stay with me until the end because you will not only learn how to build your inner strength, but also discover practical steps you can use every single day. Let's begin our journey to a stronger, happier, and more inspired life. Why we all need inspiration? Every person in this world has moments of weakness. We all face days when we feel tired, confused, or unmotivated. Sometimes life feels heavy, work becomes stressful, studies feel endless, and relationships seem complicated. In those moments, many people ask themselves, how can I continue? Where will I find the strength? The answer is often found in personal inspiration. Personal inspiration is the energy inside you that pushes you forward. It is the quiet voice in your heart that tells you, you can do it. It is the memory of your dreams, the hope of a better tomorrow, and the fire that keeps you walking even when the road is difficult. Inspiration does not come from outside alone. Of course, books, movies, teachers, and friends can inspire us, but the strongest and most lasting inspiration grows inside us. That is why we call it personal inspiration. It is the seed of motivation planted deep in our spirit. Once you learn how to find it and take care of it, it can guide you for your whole life. In this article, we will explore the meaning of personal inspiration, where it comes from, how to build it, and how to use it to change your life. The language will be simple, so even beginners can understand. But the message is powerful. You have more strength than you believe. Section 1. What is personal inspiration? Personal inspiration is not magic. It is not something that falls from the sky. It is a combination of thoughts, feelings, and choices that create energy inside you. Inspiration can be described as 1. A reason to continue. When you know why you are doing something, you feel stronger. 2. A picture of the future. Inspiration shows you what life could be like if you work hard. 3. A voice of courage. It helps you face fear and failure with hope. 4. A source of energy. Inspiration gives power to your mind and body to keep moving. For example, imagine a student learning English. Some days are easy, but other days feel impossible. Grammar rules are confusing, vocabulary seems endless, and speaking feels scary. Without inspiration, the student may quit. But if the student remembers the dream of traveling, getting a good job, or talking with friends around the world, then the inspiration becomes stronger than the difficulty. Section 2. The sources of inspiration. Personal inspiration can come from many places. The most common sources are 1. Dreams and goals. Your dreams are the seeds of inspiration. If you have a dream of becoming a doctor, starting a business, or writing a book, that dream gives direction to your life. A clear goal is like a star in the night sky. Even if the road is dark, you can keep walking toward the light. 2. Values and beliefs. Your values are what you believe is right and important. For example, honesty, kindness, and hard work may be your values. When you act according to your values, you feel inspired because you are living in harmony with your true self. 3. Role models. Sometimes inspiration comes from people we admire. It may be a parent, a teacher, a leader, or even a character in a book. Their story shows us that success is possible. They remind us that ordinary people can do extraordinary things. 4. Past victories. Your own history is a powerful source of inspiration. Think of a time when you succeeded, even in something small. Maybe you learned how to cook, finished a project, or overcame a fear. These memories tell you, if I did it once, I can do it again. 5. Challenges and pain. Surprisingly, pain can also inspire us. Many people who face poverty, sickness, or loss use their struggle as fuel to grow stronger. Pain can break us, but it can also teach us valuable lessons and give us new strength. Section 3. Building personal inspiration daily. Inspiration is not permanent. It must be cared for like a plant. If you ignore it, it becomes weak. But if you feed it daily, it grows strong. Here are some ways to build personal inspiration every day. 1. Start the day with positive thoughts. The first words you tell yourself in the morning are powerful. Instead of saying, I am tired, say, I am ready. This small habit can change the energy of your whole day. 2. Read or listen to motivational material. Books, podcasts, and even short quotes can remind you of your goals. A single sentence can sometimes light a fire in your heart. 3. Keep a journal. Write about your dreams, victories, and challenges. Writing makes your thoughts clear and reminds you why you are working hard. 4. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward is progress. Did you learn 5 new English words? Did you exercise for 10 minutes? Celebrate it. Small victories create bigger ones. 5. Stay close to positive people. Your environment matters. If you spend time with negative people, you will feel weaker. If you spend time with positive people, you will feel stronger. Section 4. Overcoming obstacles with inspiration. Life will always bring problems. No one can avoid difficulties. But inspiration changes how we see obstacles. Failure becomes a teacher. Instead of thinking, I failed, so I am weak, think, I failed, so I learned. Fear becomes a challenge. Fear is not a wall. It is a signal that you are growing. Delays become preparation. Sometimes success comes later than we hope, but the waiting time is a training time. For example, Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, failed thousands of times. When people asked him why he continued, he said, I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work. That is the power of inspiration, turning failure into fuel. Section 5. The power of self-belief. The most important source of personal inspiration is believing in yourself. If you believe you are capable, your chances of success are much higher. If you believe you are weak, you may stop before you begin. Self-belief is not arrogance. It is the quiet confidence that says, I may not be perfect, but I can grow. Practical ways to build self-belief. 1. Speak kindly to yourself. Replace negative self-talk with encouraging words. 2. Remember past success. Use your own history as proof of your strength. 3. Take small steps. Each success, even small, adds to your belief. 4. Avoid comparison. Your journey is unique. Focus on your growth, not on others. Section 6. Personal inspiration in daily life. Personal inspiration is not only for big goals like becoming rich or famous, it is also for everyday life. In studies, when homework feels boring, inspiration reminds you why learning matters. In work, when the job feels heavy, inspiration reminds you of your goals and responsibilities. In relationships, inspiration helps you forgive, listen, and care more deeply. In health, inspiration gives strength to exercise, eat well, and rest properly. Every small action done with inspiration adds meaning to your life. Section 7. Creating your own inspiration plan. To make inspiration practical, you can create a personal plan. Here is a simple example. 1. Morning, read one motivational quote and repeat it 3 times. 2. Daytime. Write down one small victory in your journal. 3. Evening. Reflect on your goals for 5 minutes and imagine your future success. This daily plan takes less than 15 minutes, but it keeps your inner fire alive. Story: The Boy in the Mountain. There was once a young boy who lived in a small village near a tall mountain. Every day he looked at the mountain and dreamed of reaching the top. People in the village laughed at him. They said, "You are too small. The mountain is too high. You will never make it." At first, the boy felt sad. But then he remembered his dream. He told himself, "Maybe I am small, but if I take one step today and another tomorrow, one day I will be on the top." So, every morning, he walked a little higher. Some days were easy, and some days were very hard. He fell many times, but he always stood up again. After many months, he finally reached the top of the mountain. From there, he could see the whole world, and he realized something powerful. The mountain was not his enemy. It was his teacher. Just like the boy, each of us has our own mountain, a dream, a goal, or a challenge. People may doubt us. We may even doubt ourselves. But with personal inspiration, with one step each day, we can reach the top. Conclusion: the fire inside you. Personal inspiration is not something you must wait for. It is something you can build, grow, and protect every day. It is the quiet fire inside you that keeps you moving when life feels heavy. Remember, you have dreams that matter. You have values that guide you. You have strength from your past victories. You have power to turn pain into growth. The most important message is this: never give up on yourself. Inspiration is not about perfection. It is about progress. It is about waking up each day and deciding to try again. So today, take a deep breath. Look at your dreams. Tell yourself, "I can, I will, I must." And then move forward with hope. Because the world is waiting for your light, thank you for waiting,